What? No signal? What does that swirling circle mean? In this episode of BEK Studio, we'll help you troubleshoot the most common TV connection issues you may encounter. If you're seeing a no signal message on your TV, let's start by selecting a different input. You can do this a few different ways. First, try pressing the input button on the remote we provided with your BEK set-top box. You should see a listing of your inputs appear on screen. Now, although our Titan and Amino remotes are universal, some functions may not work with all TV brands. If you're not seeing the input list on your TV screen, try using the remote that came with your TV. The button may be labeled input or source. It's the same thing. If you don't have that remote or can't find it, don't worry. On your TV itself, look for a button near the power and volume buttons labeled input or source. When you find it, give her a good old push. Pressing the input button allows you to cycle through your input list, such as TV, HDMI, component, RGB, and PC. After highlighting a specific input, it will auto-select and you'll see that input appear on your TV. Make note of which input your set-top box is connected to so you can find it quickly next time. If you are seeing a BEK logo and swirling circle, that means you are on the correct TV input, but you are not getting a signal from BEK. Ask yourself a couple questions. Did you move the cable to a different wall jack? Remember, not all wall jacks in your house have a live TV signal running to them. If you have done so, this may require a tech on-site to reconfigure your system. Another question, have you recently unplugged the set-top box, TV, or changed any equipment? Check to make sure all cords are plugged in and securely connected. One final step you can do on your own is to reset your switch. Look for a small black box like this installed on an interior wall. It should have multiple Ethernet ports, blinking lights, and may be located near your breaker box, behind your TV, or in a closet. Remember, all homes and installations are different, so your setup may not be exactly like what we described. Find the power plug for the switch and unplug it. Wait 10 seconds and plug it back in. You may also see a larger ONT box next to the switch, but you can leave that one alone. Give the system a few minutes to reboot, and if you're still having issues, please contact BEK Technical Support at 701-475-2361. We hope you learned a few things today, and thanks for visiting BEK Studio. See you next time.